Tournament. Ito na yung mga hinihintay ng players natin na ipakita yung yung galing nila sa paglaro ng football. Bale itong tournament na to, invitational. Bale entire Ilocos Sur siya.
Tikat. Okay.
Go! Sila nga pala yung mga player ng ICMS, Immaculate Conception Minor Seminary. Bali sila yung mga 14 below. Tapos ready na sila maglaro. Gawin pa sa ugat. Tangan ganun na kalaban. Hey!
Partly, most of our players belong to the middle to the upper segment of their class. As much as possible, we choose players to represent ICMS. Hindi sila nahihirapan sa academics. Even if they go and train outside, we always remind them and we keep pounding into their heads that they are seminarians going to represent ICMS. Only they are members of Pigan City Division. Ganun ang that has always been the principle that that is applied even during our time when we were also soccer football players of ICMS. Na as much as possible, there are no failing grades, hindi ka bumabagsak sa klase mo, mga ganun. Then all the parang requirements of a seminarian, we always tell them that they carry with them wherever they go.
We are supporting Atletico Seminario, especially the team of St. Thomas Aquinas School, wherein my nephew, Titoy, is playing. And also my niece, Dasha, also plays soccer.
Naglalaro ka rin? Ano bali yan yung team mo?
St. Thomas din.
St. Thomas din ka rin. Ano yung sa tingin mo na yung benefits na ibibigay sa'yo ng larong football?
Practically, soccer did not originate from the Philippines. It's been adopted by the Philippine country, and now many Philippine players all around the country are playing it. And another research study of why Philippine adopted soccer from the other countries because of they want to teach Filipinos of their reaction time, the way their mind calculate the speed of the ball and the strength of how they kick it, and then they're working for teamwork. They try to make a league of Filipinos who can do teamwork. They made soccer available for the Filipinos so that they can learn not only soccer but the emotional values like teamwork, the praying, that. And then another is the stamina. They get to develop their stamina by playing soccer, and there are many other more things, and that is what convinced me to play soccer, and my brother too.
We have our refreshment over there while waiting for my nephew to play. And we'll also we'll sparing our energy to cheer him up.
Linesman! Wala! Linesman! Wala!
So right now, we have a program in the seminary, like a clinic, a training program for young kids as young as 4 perhaps. I'm not so sure. But I see very little kids trying to learn the ropes of football or soccer. One of the things that I noticed that is very commendable, bago sila mag-umpisa, nag-umpisa sila sa prayer. And that is one way, one part of the training program that is what we call as comprehensive. It does not only entail learning the ropes about football, how to kick the ball, or how to dribble, how to pass, and all those things. But the fact that itinuturo nila yung pagdarasal bago sila mag-umpisang maglaro o mag-exercise and all those things, is a very positive learning for the kids, especially yung mga maliliit. They are also introduced into the importance of someone who is beyond them, the power that is nasa taas. So I appreciate so much, not only appreciate but that is a commendable act on the part of the trainers of this football clinic. And I would like to invite parents out there to have kids who have that kind of the love for soccer or football to come and enroll your children to this clinic. I guess it's open every Saturday morning and Sunday afternoon for your kids to learn about football or about soccer. Because it is not only soccer per se na matutunan nila, but also the different values of sportsmanship, of camaraderie, and most especially their knowledge and their faith in the Almighty.
Ang mga bata ay nahasa sa kanilang kalaman, di lang sa sports tulad ng football, pati na rin sa spiritual na aspeto ng kanilang pagkatao. Isa lang itong paraan na sila'y maging mabuting mamamayan. Sana'y maging inspirasyon ito para mahikayat ang mga magulang para ipabilang ang kanilang mga anak sa aktibidades tulad nito. Di lamang ito laro, ngunit isang paraan upang mapaglinang ang iba't ibang aspeto ng kanilang pagkatao. Iba't ibang kwento ng buhay, iba't ibang paniniwala, iba't ibang aral ang hatid sa bawat isa. At sa bawat pagsikat at paglubog ng araw, pag-asa ang dala. Ako si Mark, hanggang sa muli.
Pero pumapayag upang masubukan at mapatunayan. Lagi mong tatandaan, ganito lamang ang dapat na ginagawa mo. Huwag mong palalampasin ang pagkakataon. Kailangan pupukin ang bako para bumaon.
Let me as a test of the cross from me below.
Mikropono kahit